Is your turbocharger suddenly acting like it is on vacation and leaving you with absolutely no power when you try to merge onto the highway? You might be facing a P0249 code which points to a low voltage issue in your turbocharger wastegate solenoid B circuit. This is a very common problem on turbocharged and supercharged vehicles from brands like Ford, Chevrolet, or even Mercedes. Your powertrain control module uses this solenoid to manage exactly how much boost pressure your engine is getting by opening and closing the wastegate. When the computer tries to activate this part, and notices there is no voltage at the circuit when there should be, it triggers this electrical fault. You will see your check engine light come on, and your dashboard might even show a scary message about reduced engine power. Because this is usually an electrical failure, the first thing you should do is check for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model. After that, you need to find the wastegate boost pressure control solenoid and look at the wires for any bare spots, burns, or places where the harness might be rubbing against moving parts. Unplug the connector and look for any green tint that indicates corrosion is blocking the signal. Cleaning it with electrical contact cleaner and adding some grease can often solve the issue immediately. If the problem stays, use your digital volt-ohm meter to check the resistance of the solenoid. Touch your meter leads to the 2 pins on the solenoid, and if it shows 0 ohms or infinite resistance, the internal coil has failed, and you need a new part. You should also check for 12 volts on the power supply wire with the ignition turned on. If the power is missing, you might have a blown fuse or a bad relay tucked away in the engine bay. You can use a test light on the ground side while using a skin tool to try and click the solenoid on and off. If the light does not flash, the wiring back to the computer is broken. If you have checked the wires and the solenoid but the power is still gone, it is best to take it to a certified technician to make sure your engine computer does not need to be replaced or reprogrammed.